Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. How to easily fix your car's stuck power antenna. Fixing your car's stuck power antenna. Have you ever experienced the frustration of a stuck power antenna on your vehicle? A malfunctioning power antenna not only hinders the aesthetics of your car but also impacts its functionality. A properly functioning power antenna is crucial for clear radio reception, enhancing your driving experience. Ignoring a stuck power antenna can lead to more severe issues, such as damaging the antenna motor or causing interference with other electrical components in your car. Addressing this problem promptly is essential to prevent further complications and ensure the smooth operation of your vehicle. In this video, we will explore the common causes of a stuck power antenna, providing you with practical solutions to fix the issue efficiently. Stay tuned to learn how you can restore your car's power antenna to its optimal condition and enjoy uninterrupted radio signals while on the road. Understanding a stuck power antenna. A power antenna is a nifty feature in a car that automatically extends or retracts the antenna when the radio is turned on or off, enhancing signal reception. This mechanism operates using an electric motor that raises and lowers the antenna mast. Understanding how a power antenna works is crucial in diagnosing and fixing issues with it. How a power antenna works. The power antenna system consists of the antenna mast, the motor that controls its movement, a flexible cable, and a mast retraction mechanism. When you turn on the radio, an electrical signal is sent to the motor, prompting it to extend the mast to its full height for optimal reception. Conversely, when you switch off the radio, the motor retracts the antenna to its rest position. Common reasons for a stuck power antenna. Electrical malfunction. One common reason for a stuck power antenna is an electrical issue. This can be due to a blown fuse, a faulty relay, or a wiring problem disrupting the power supply to the antenna motor. 2. Mechanical obstruction. Accumulated dirt, debris, or a bent mast can obstruct the smooth movement of the antenna, causing it to get stuck at a certain point. Motor failure. Over time, the motor that controls the power antenna's movement may wear out or malfunction, preventing the antenna from extending or retracting properly. Ignoring a stuck power antenna can lead to poor radio reception, static interference, or even damage to the antenna itself. It's essential to address the issue promptly to ensure uninterrupted radio signal reception and to prevent further damage to the antenna system. Diagnosing the issue. When faced with a stuck power antenna in your car, diagnosing the issue is the crucial first step to resolving the problem. This section will guide you through a visual inspection and listening for audio cues to help identify if your power antenna is stuck. Visual inspection. Start by visually inspecting your car's power antenna. Look for any visible signs of damage or obstruction. Check to see if the antenna appears to be bent, broken, or stuck in a partially extended position. Ensure that there is no debris, such as dirt or leaves, blocking the antenna's movement. Additionally, examine the wiring connected to the antenna to make sure there are no loose connections or frayed wires that could be causing the issue. Listening for audio cues. In addition to a visual inspection, listening for audio cues can also provide valuable information about the status of your power antenna. Turn on your car's radio and try to operate the power antenna. Listen for any unusual sounds such as grinding, clicking, or buzzing noises that could indicate a mechanical problem. Pay attention to the antenna motor's sound, as an unusually loud or strained motor noise may suggest a malfunction. By combining a visual inspection with listening for audio cues, you can better diagnose the issue with your car's power antenna. Identifying any visible damage or unusual sounds will bring you one step closer to understanding why the antenna is stuck and determining the necessary steps to fix it. Fixing a stuck power antenna. Is your power antenna stuck and not retracting properly? Don't worry. There are troubleshooting steps you can take to address this issue. Let's dive into manual and electronic troubleshooting methods to help you fix your car's stuck power antenna. Manual troubleshooting steps. Visual inspection. Start by visually inspecting the power antenna. Look for any visible damages or obstructions that may be preventing it from retracting. Check for any bent or broken components that may need repair or replacement. 2. Check the fuse. One common reason for a stuck power antenna is a blown fuse. Locate the fuse box in your car and check the fuse related to the power antenna. If the fuse is blown, replace it with a new one of the same rating. Manually extend and retract. Try manually extending and retracting the power antenna to see if it moves freely. Sometimes, the antenna simply needs a little push to get moving again. Be gentle and avoid applying excessive force to prevent further damage. 4. Inspect wiring connections. Ensure that the wiring connections to the power antenna are secure and free of corrosion. Loose or damaged connections can cause the antenna to malfunction. Tighten any loose connections and clean off any corrosion. By following our troubleshooting tips and performing simple tests, you'll be able to identify the root cause of the problem. Stay tuned as we uncover the source of the issue and prepare for the repair process in Part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.